by the government workers in a city of Alaska include rotated to typewriters to do their jobs, following ransomware contaminated their machine system. A representative for Matanuska-Susitna told the malicious software had ciphered its electronic mail server computer, domestic system, and calamity restoration servers. She told personnel had inventively dusted off typewriters and were written receipts by brush. The city is in the trial of restoration its system. Ransomware is malevolent machine software program how encrypts or scrambles information and demands a fee for it to be recovered. The city told almost all of its 500 table computers fleeing Windows 7 and 10 had been contaminated and 120 machine servers were as well struck. As infecting the city's table computers, an electronic mail server computer, it had as well attack its phone framework and doorway accession map framework, told IT CEO Eric Wyatt. He told Against Virus software program had detected one part of the assault on July 17 but had skipped some beginnings of the malicious software that permitted it to distribution. The ransomware as well contaminated and ciphered several of the city's behind-up information, though several proportion had been stored. Although it initially emerging how our information was a full losing, we include newly restored information of the shared drives, told Mr. Wyatt. Electronic mail does seem to be fully incorrigible. Several system include been recovered and year-old information and the city is in the trial of restoration every struck car. Ciphered information will be saved for months or year in hopes how the FBI will restore the decoding keys.